Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm redrawing Goku Super Saiyan and Super Saiyan Blue from 2016. But first I want to wish you all a happy and healthy new year. May this be an amazing year for us all. So, this is a very old and, to be fair, not a great drawing, but I like the idea of doing a split drawing of these two forms, and I'm sure a redraw would be nice to see. As you can see, in the old drawing the face looks kinda weird, also the hair is way too small, the arms are out of proportion, the waist is also a bit too small, the aura looks very weak, so overall a very bad drawing compared to today. So let's see how much I've improved in over 6 years. Let's get to the drawing, guys. Hit like, subscribe, and then we can start. Let's go.
I love the way you sound, your voice enticing. Can't help but keep you around. No need to fight it, yeah. 'Cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you. Looks like our time is now. The stars are aligning. Need you to make me proud. Fill my soul with fire. Yeah, 'cause I know you are obsessed with me. Hard to have no sympathy. Know how it feels, you can make it through. Hard to love when it's controlling you. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you. Cause I know you are the light on my star. So don't go too far. Cause I know you are. So I know you are obsessed with me. So babe, let go of your misery. Know how it feels when your skies are blue. Hard to love when it's controlling you. Don't like fires, I don't like work, but I'm a survivor. I miss my dogs, I miss my home, but I'm far away. I just want to come back to those days when I was just a girl, just a girl. Hey, oh, those days, those dreams. I just want to come back, to come back, to come back. Survivor. I miss my dogs, I miss my home, but I'm far away. I just want to come back to those days when I was just a girl, just a girl. Hey, all those days, those dreams. I just want to come back, to come back, to come back.
So guys, last touch and then the first drawing of the new year is done. I think it looks great. I love the colors I choose, especially for this suit. For the blue hair, I tried to use turquoise color tones as the original Super Saiyan Blue has turquoise hair. I always use normal blue tones, which is wrong, so I wanted to color it right this time. Overall, I'm very happy with how this drawing turned out, but still, I don't think it's one of my best works. I don't know what it is, but something is missing. What do you think, guys? But if we compare the old and the new drawing, we can see huge improvements. Where do I start? The shape of the hair is way better. Same for the face, and overall the proportions of the new one are much more accurate. The shading has improved so much, and also the color choices. The new one looks much more powerful and colorful, it's crazy. But over 6 years is also a very long time to improve, so never give up and always try to get better. Step by step, day by day, that's the only way. No shortcuts in life, so get to work, guys. Alright, that's it for today. Make sure to like the video, subscribe and all these nice things. For commissions, message me on Instagram and check out my online shop for some more prints. Right here, you can see some of my other old versus new drawings, and I see you on the next video.